Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Fiverr account. If you're new to Fiverr, Fiverr is one of the platforms where people sell their skills and make money online. It gives you an opportunity to monetize your skills. So if you're someone that is good at video editing, you're good at transcribing, translating, you're good at designing websites, designing logos, you're good at helping people to write their CVs or edit CVs, you can sell all these skills on Fiverr and you can make money from it. It's one of the legit ways people make money online. And I shared this in my previous video where I talked about the 5 legit ways to make money online. I'm going to be leaving that link somewhere here so you can go ahead and check it out. So to sell on Fiverr, all you need is a Fiverr account. You need to create a Fiverr account, and that is the purpose of this video, to show you the step-by-step on how to create a Fiverr account. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into today's video. But before we do that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Violet, and on this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. So you don't want to miss out on any of my content. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell beside it, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the number one person YouTube will notify. And give this video a massive thumbs up so that YouTube can also share this video to as many people as possible to watch this video. Alright, so let's dive right into today's video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So to create your Fiverr account, all you need to do is to click on that first link in my description box. It will take you to this page where you'll be asked to sign in or sign up. All right, so you don't have to, it saves you a lot of stress, going to Google to search for the right Fiverr account to sign up. All right, so just use the link in my description box and create your Fiverr account to sign up. And also you're going to get credited $100 when you use that link in my description box. Okay, once you create a Fiverr account, you're going to get credited $100 into your Fiverr account, and you can actually withdraw the money. All right, so let's go ahead and put in our email. They're asking to enter your email, so I'm going to put in my email address. Right, and then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now they're asking me for username, so you have to make sure you put in a username that matches what you're going to be selling on Fiverr. All right, don't just use anyhow username. So you need to make sure that you really you have to think about username that suits your gig, okay, or that will suit your gig. All right, so I'm going to, let's say I want to go into writing. I'm going to create something like Violet the writer, or Violet the writer. Okay, they said this looks like the username is already taken, so I can change it, and I will say Cynthia the writer. Okay, the username is already taken. All right, I want to change and try something else. I'm going to say send Chinwe the writer. Let's see. All right, so this one is okay. Create a password. Okay, let's say okay. Okay, so let's click on join. All right, so we've created our account, we've signed up. Okay, we signed up. Now we have to, now they sent an email. Okay, they said you need to activate your account. All right, so you need to check your email. So you can see the email they sent to me. They said you're almost there, just confirm your email, activate your account. So I'm going to click on activate my account, and then it will take me to my profile. Okay, so here you just have to click on your profile, and I've already added my picture. So you can add your picture once you activate your account. You can put in your picture here, and then come down and it will tell you to edit description. You can click on edit descriptions. You can say something about you. Maybe you can say I'm a qualified or I'm a professional. I'm a professional writer. You can put something there. Okay, I'm a professional writer. I love writing. You can say something about what you do. All right. So after that, you edit, you update. So once you update, you come here. The next thing is language. Click on language. So if you're good in English, you're good in other language, you can actually put it there. Okay, write it here. You can add language. So I'm going to add English. English is already there. So I just click on English. And which level? Are you basic? Are you conventional, fluent, native? Just click on fluent. So you just have to put in something professional in your account because you want to make your profile professional. All right. You want to make your Fiverr account professional. You don't just want to make it anyhow account. So you have to make sure that whatever you're selecting here is, something that will attract buyers. All right. So I click on English, fluent, and then click on add. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to link, you can link your account, okay? Your Facebook account, your Google, your Vimeo account, Twitter account. You can link all these accounts to your Fiverr account if you want, okay? If you wish to, you can do, but it actually helps a lot so that anyone that wants to order something from, if you have someone who wants to order or buy your gig, they have opportunity to go to your other platform and take a look at what you do, get to know you more. All right. So that's the reason why it's good to link your account to this account to your Fiverr account. All right. So the next thing is skills. So you can add your skills. What are you good at? You can write here, I'm a professional writer, or you can put here, click on writing, and then to show you, to ask you experience level, you can click on experts. All right, because you want people to trust you. Education, you can add on your education here, add new. What's education background? Country of college, you can choose which country of college, you can choose maybe Australia, you can select university, the title, is a BSc, is a master's, certificate, associate, just select, let's say BSc, and then the major, okay, your area of study, you can put it there, the year of graduation, when did you finish, let's say 2013, and then you can add. All right, now the next thing is your certification. It's good to add the certification, okay? Even if you don't have any certification on Fiverr, all right, you can just find something. You just go on Google and look for certificates, writing certificates and all that. Get them and upload. So once you're done with this, once you're done creating this account, so now the next thing is to create your gig. So that will be the next video. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to create a gig on Fiverr. All right, so now this account, if let's say you are not okay with this account and you want to deactivate this account, it's just so simple. You can come over here and click on settings. Okay, I'm going to deactivate this account because this is not my real Fiverr account. Okay, come to settings and you can see where they say activation, account deactivation. You can select why you are leaving or why you're deactivating your account, and then you can deactivate your account. That's if you want to deactivate your account. So guys, that's actually how you create your Fiverr account. It's as simple as that, okay? Now let me know in the comment section if you love this video, if you enjoy watching it. Is there something you want me to improve? I'm willing to learn, all right? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell beside it and smash the like button so that YouTube can share this video to other people to also watch and get value from it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.